Have you ever wondered how brands send daily offers, discount and special deals directly to thousands of customers on WhatsApp with just one click? Well, that's exactly what we are going to build today. Take a look at this. Whenever I want to share my daily deals, promotional offers or limited time discounts, this beautiful template message gets automatically sent to all the contacts present inside my broadcast list. And the best part, I created this entire setup using Pabbly Chatflow with a very simple configuration. This is the real power of WhatsApp broadcasting. Instead of manually messaging customers one by one, you can instantly reach to your entire audience, promote your products, increase engagement, and generate more sales directly on WhatsApp. So now you might be wondering, why am I using Pabbly Chatflow for this? The reason is simple. Pabbly Chatflow allows you to create professional WhatsApp broadcast, manage contact list, design attractive template messages, schedule campaign and communicate with customers at scale, all from one platform. So whether you are running an e-commerce store, restaurant, gym, salon, coaching institute or any other business, WhatsApp broadcast can help you stay connected with your customers every single day. With regular deals and offers, you can increase repeat purchase, bring customers back to your business, improve customer engagement, promote new products instantly, and generate more sales with less effort. That's exactly why businesses are rapidly adopting WhatsApp broadcast marketing. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the creation of this broadcast setup. Alright, if you are an existing user of Pabbly, then it is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. Once you create your account, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. And after testing, you would like this tool and create some mind to purchase it. And don't forget to use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout and get a heavy discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. I am an existing user of Pabbly, so I am clicking on the sign in option. Next, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see the powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow. As in this tutorial, we are going to create a WhatsApp broadcast campaign. So I am going in this broadcast feature. See, now we are inside the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. This feature allows you to send a single WhatsApp message to multiple contacts at once. Instead of manually messaging every customer, you can create one broadcast campaign and deliver it to your entire contact list with just few clicks. Using broadcast feature, businesses can share daily deals, promotional offers, festival greetings, important announcements, and many more. The biggest advantage of the broadcast feature is that it saves time, improves customer engagement, and helps businesses communicate with a large audience effectively on WhatsApp. Now let's create our broadcast campaign and see how it works in action. See, this is the starting point of creating a WhatsApp broadcast, where at first you have to select the broadcast type. I am selecting it as broadcast campaign. Next, give your broadcast name. I'll enter as deal alert. After that, here you need to select the contact list to which you want to send the broadcast message. For example, if you have multiple contact lists, you simply choose the one from here you want to target, and the broadcast message will be sent only to the contacts available in that selected list. This helps you to send the right message to the right audience. So now I think you might be wondering how you can create a contact list and how you can add your contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that, you have to go in this contacts feature. and click on this plus add contacts button. You can also add contacts one by one manually from here, but I recommend you to add contacts in bulk because it reduces manual work. For uploading a bulk contacts, you need to upload a CSV file. Now what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains the data in the simplest format. I'll show you. See, this is the file where I have added the user's first name, last name and phone number as it is in the simplest format. After adding all of my contacts, I am going to download this file in a CSV format. I have added this contacts inside Google Sheets, but you can also use Excel as well if you want to. One more thing, only CSV files are allowed with a 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts, means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. For uploading a contacts, click on this option, click on this add new file and then just simply drag and drop this file here. Next, you just have to click on this upload files button. After that, select the contact list from here and click on this insert button, and after selecting it, click on this plus add contacts. So this is how easily you can add bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. For creating a contact list, you have to click on this plus option. I have already created some list before, and in our broadcast setup, I am going to select this lead list. See, this is the same list that I have created here. Moving forward is the refine audience. It is an optional. See, if you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contacts that you don't want to send the broadcast message, then you can select that contact from this drop down. After that, you can enable this toggle for skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours so they don't receive the broadcast message again. Now the next, you need to select the message type. It is very important. It will provide you two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send a regular message by selecting the message type from here and enter the message content in this field, but I recommend you to select the message type as pre-approved template message because templates are approved by Meta and they follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. After selecting this option, click on this button and select the template from here. I have already created this template before by the name of deal alert. After selecting the template, I am going to upload one image. For that, I am clicking on this option, and for uploading a new image, you just have to click on this add new image and upload the image from your gallery. I have already uploaded one, so I am selecting this from here and clicking on this insert button. So this is the final look of the template that is going to be sent to the user. After uploading the image, I am clicking on this done button. See, the template is added successfully. Now for adding this type of attractive templates, you have to go in this templates feature as everything is present inside this single tool. See, this is the templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow. It is a predefined messages used for easy access and scale communication. Here you can create multiple types of templates based on your different type of use cases. For creating a new template, you have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. I have already created some templates before, and this is the deal alert template that we are using in this video. After selecting the template, next I am going to test this workflow. That's why I am entering a user name as test user and entering my number in this field, just only for the testing that this broadcast message is working or not. After entering my number, I am clicking on the send test message button. See, it says that test broadcast sent. Now I am going to show you my WhatsApp account. Immediately I received the exact same template that I have selected here. And look at this template, how attractive it is. I have created this as a complete example. You can customize it based on your requirements. As we have successfully received the template, this means that till now our broadcast setup is working perfectly. Moving forward, you need to schedule the broadcast. So if you want to send this templates to all of your contacts that are present inside the list right now, then you can select this option and click on this plus add broadcast button. But if you want to schedule this template for later, then you can select this option. Let's say I want to schedule this broadcast message on 26th of June at 5 p.m. See, on 26/6/2026 at 5 p.m. this template is going to be sent to all of my contacts that are present inside the list. After that, I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button. And that's it. This is how easily you can send broadcast messages to your contacts using Pabbly Chatflow. With the broadcast feature, you can share daily deals, offers, updates with multiple customers in just few steps. See, our broadcast message is successfully scheduled. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this button and export the report from here. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this broadcast WhatsApp campaign, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.